Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of cleaning the internals of your Asus UM425Q laptop. This task not only helps in maintaining the performance but also extends the lifespan of your device. Before starting, make sure you have the following tools. 1. A Phillips head screwdriver. 2. A Torx screwdriver, T5. 3. An anti-static wrist strap. 4. Compressed air canister. 5. Soft microfiber cloth. 6. Isopropyl alcohol, optional. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. If applicable, remove any external devices. Then, use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger. Be careful not to damage the clips. This is a delicate process, but it's crucial for accessing the internal components. Now that you have access to the internals, take a moment to observe the layout. You should see the cooling fan, RAM slots, and the motherboard. Over time, dust can accumulate in these areas, which can lead to overheating and reduced performance. Using the compressed air canister, carefully blow out any dust from the cooling fan and vents. Make sure to hold the fan blades in place to prevent them from spinning while applying air. This helps in preventing any potential damage to the fan. If you notice any residue or grime on the surfaces, use the microfiber cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean those areas. Remember, it's best to use minimal liquid to avoid any spills on the motherboard. After cleaning, take a moment to check if everything appears to be in order. If you're not comfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess any issues and provide you with a quote before repair. Once you're done, carefully replace the back panel. Ensure that all clips are secured and that no gaps are visible. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not overly tight as this could damage the casing. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this on your own, don't forget we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about leaving your house or making any calls. With our service, you can ensure your laptop receives the care it needs without the hassle. Finally, power on your Asus UM425Q and monitor its performance. You should notice improved airflow and potentially quieter operation. Regular cleaning can make a significant difference in how your laptop functions over time. So, make it a habit to check the internals every few months, depending on your environment. In conclusion, maintaining your Asus UM425Q is crucial for optimal performance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your laptop remains clean and efficient. If you ever feel overwhelmed, remember that our services are here to help, providing you with no calls and no travel required. Just reach out for assistance and we'll take care of the rest. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.